I'm Martina, I'm 24 and I'm from the Netherlands. I have a bachelor's degree in business administration in hospitality management and a master's degree in business administration with a specialization in leadership.
And I'm Stéphanie, I'm French Canadian, I am 24 and I have a bachelor's degree in food science. So it's been amazing in the class. We can see that a lot of different cultures are there and it's really fun to see our interactions every day. Everyone's ready to help. I can help in French and in English, they can help me in my Spanish, and everyone's ready to help, everyone wants to help, and the synergy is pretty amazing. I wouldn't be able to do this program without them, that's for sure.
Yeah, especially, and since we're gonna move all together to France and to Bradford, everyone is really willing to invest in the group.
True.
And therefore, not only during the class but also outside the classes, we meet up a lot, and that already created very, very strong bonds. So after this program, I would love to work in an international environment where I can use the language skills that I gained during this program. I have no idea yet in which sector I want to work, but it's definitely going to be in an international environment. And since I have a background in hospitality and the travel industry, I'm probably going to look for internships over there, most likely either in Spain or in France, to keep on improving my language skills. And
Yeah, same thing for me. I do want to continue after this working for a company that, of course, works internationally, has offices internationally. I'm very interested in that. We have a lot of great companies in Canada, so I might go back home also for that, but I'm very much so interested in food science. That's what I studied before coming into this program, but also cosmetics.
And I feel since we're in this very international classroom and we're going to study at 3 different institutions, it's also going to be way more easier for us to find a new internship or to find a job later on, because they will have their own career offices. And in this way, especially for me, because I have no idea yet really where and what I want to do, that's definitely going to help us.